One, check the machine alignment. Use a 90 square to make sure the fence is straight. Wear safe clothing, no long sleeves near the blades. Apply a bit of gasoline. This helps the wood slide smoothly. Test the wood after each pass. It should be flat and straight.
No.
Start jointing the first face. Push slowly and steadily over the jointer. Never push the wood back. Always move it with the blade direction. Joint the second face edge. This makes the wood square. Now your wood is ready. It's flat, square, and clean. Perfect for any project. Tip: good preparation prevents bending or warping later.